exercise. Students, screen is shared.
No, sir.
Now students, screen is shared.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Screen is not shared.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Now screen is shared.
No, sir.
Okay, students. Exercise.
It is simple.
Student, please drop silence and listen to me. In question number 7, the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle, measure XYZ, state the property you use to find them. Student, first of all, question number 7. First of all, we will draw the figure of parallelograms HOPE. Now students, this is your diagonals. HOPE. This is your 70-degree angles. This is your X. This is Y. And this is Z, and this is your 40-degree angles. 40-degree angles. Now student, we have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Yes, students. Students, Aditya, I have written a question on the board. How can you solve it? You have to find out the value of X, Y and Z. Student, please tell me how can we solve it? Yes, who will? Who will tell? In the class, who will tell? Yes? Arhan Yadav,
Yes, sir.
please tell me how can you solve
Okay,
this
sir.
question? Yes.
Sir, first we will find y equal to 20.
Why?
That is alternate interior angle.
Yes. Very good, student. Y is equal to 40 degree alternate interior angles. Very good. Okay,
Sir,
student.
but angle
Let's
plus-
enough. Stay. Wait. First we will complete it. After that we will discuss on next. Now, students, Arhan tells us y is equal to 40 degree. That is alternate interior angles. And students, EH parallel to PO. EH
Class 8 student, kindly open your cameras.
Student, please switch on camera. Switch on camera.
Raj Krishna, Jia Singh, Aditi Singh, why your cameras are shut down? Kindly open them. Anjali Trivedi, Arpit Singh, Abhinav, Raj Krishna, Prahlad, that is all.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Now student, EH parallel to OP. EH parallel to OP and PH is a transversal. And PH is a transversal. Therefore, y is equal to 40 degree. Y is equal to 40 degree. Y is equal to 40 degree. Y alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angle. Interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Student, any doubt, any problems? Yes. Now we have to find out the remaining angle x and z. X and z.
Just people see that.
X and z. Yes.
Just people see that equation.
Yes. Why is it not clear?
Just people see the equation.
Students, first complete this question. Now student, what will be your next step to find the value of z? What will be your next step to find the value of z? Any student in the class? Your y is 40 degree.
Yes, sir.
You have to find out the value of z. You have to find out the value of z. How can you find out?
So, it would be equal to 40 because adjacent angles.
Angle Z is angle 40
Then it will be 40 because of the adjacent angles.
due of A.
Exterior angle property of a triangle. Can we apply the exterior angle property of a triangle? Students, can we apply the exterior angle property of a triangle? What is exterior angle property of a triangle? Exterior angle property of a triangle. What is?
180.
No students. No students. Your exterior angle property of a triangle is, I want to tell you that this is your triangle. ABC is a triangle in which this is your 70 degree, this is your 50 degree, and what will be these angles? Students, this angle will be equal to two interior opposite angles. Sum of two interior opposite angles. So angle ACD is equal to 70 plus 50 is equal to 120 degree. Why? Exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle is sum of two interior opposite angles. Sum of two interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angles. Exterior angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That is 120 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Your concept is clear?
No, sir.
Your concept is clear?
So please scroll that.
बड़ा करिए सर, बड़ा नहीं हुआ। कंट्रोल और प्लस
So please scroll it up.
अरे वो किसका गया सर? ऊपर करिए, स्क्रॉल स्क्रॉल करिए, ऊपर ऊपर के ऊपर नहीं करे ना, ऊपर की ओर स्क्रॉल करना है। नहीं नीचे कर रहे हैं, नहीं तेज कर दीजिए, बड़ा हो गया। Angel Divedi, kindly open your camera. Angel Divedi.
It's on already.
Now student, we have to find out the value of, that is your 70 degree. Now y is 40 degree, y is 40 degree, z and 70 degree. Now students, 70 is equal to z plus 40. Y z plus 40. Y exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. So 70 minus 40 is equal to z. 30 is equal to z. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now students, we will find out this angle. We will consider this is angle 1. This is angle 1. Student, angle 1 plus 70. Angle 1 plus 70 will be. Please tell me.
Sir, 180.
Why? Linear pair angles. Angle 1 plus 70 is equal to 180 linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Poonam.
Yes, sir.
Angle 1 plus 70. Angle 1 plus 70 will be equal to. Please tell me.
Sir, need to cross the area.
That is 180. Angle 1 plus
Sir, please need to cross this.
angle 1 plus 70, that is 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Now student, find out the value of angle 1. That is 180 minus 70. That is 110. 110. Now student, observe the figure. HOPE. HOPE is a parallelogram. So x is equal to angle 1 and angle 1 is equal to 110. Why? Opposite angle of parallelogram is equal. Student, note down, HOPE is a parallelogram. And angle x is equal to angle 1. and angle 1 is equal to 110. Why? Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 110, y is equal to y. What is y? Y is 40 and z is 30. Y is 40 degree and z is 30 degree. Student, any doubt, any problems? Yes.
Sir, completed.
Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Now, student, question number 8, second part. Question number 8, second part. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, student, question number 8, second part. The following figure, guns and runs are parallelograms. Student, it is your parallelograms. Students, runs. These are diagonals. These are diagonals. And it is your run. R-U-N-S, runs. Runs. 20 y plus 7. And it is your x plus y is equal to 16.
So, y plus क्या? Y plus 7.
Y plus 7. Y plus 7. That is y plus 7. Students, RUNS, runs is a parallelograms. RUNS is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. As we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means OR is equal to OR. This is equal to this and this is equal to this. Friends, diagonals of a parallelograms. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect each other. Therefore, OU is equal to OS. OU is equal to OS. OU is equal to OS. Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Why? Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. जितना पोर्शन आपका OS है उतना ही पोर्शन आपका OS है. ठीक है, ये इक्वल होंगे. तो y plus 7 is equal to 20. That students, y is equal to y is equal to 20 minus 7. Y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30. Y is equal to 30. Now x plus y, ON is equal to OR. ON is equal to OR. ON is equal to OR. What is ON? ON is x plus y is equal to 60. X plus y is equal to 60. And we have already find the value of y, that is 13. Replace y with 13. And we will find out the value of x. Student, x will be 16 minus 13. X is equal to 3. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Aditya,
No, sir.
Aditya, any doubt? Arhan Yadav, Rishu, Garvika, any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Student, do it. Do it. Okay, student. Now question number 9 is question number 9. In the above figure, both risk and clue are parallelograms. Find the value of x. Student, do it fast. Do it fast. Have you got? Question number 9.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Student,
Yes, sir.
risk. R-I-S-K. Risk. And clue. And clue. And clue. C-L-U-E. C-L-U-E. Clue. Are two parallelograms. Risk and clue are two parallelograms in which K is 120 degree. Your L is 70 degree. And you have to find out the value of x. Who will tell? Who will tell? In the class we will find out the value of x. Prakhal. Who will tell in the class? Any student in the class will tell me how we will solve these questions. Yes? Respond me. Student, respond me. No response towards your ex. Rishu, am I audible to you? Anshika Patel, Arav, Arhan.
Yes, sir.
Have you any idea to solve these questions? Have you any? Yes, please tell me. Yes, please tell me.
The angle C is 120 degree and opposite angle connected. So angle I is also Then 70 degree, angle L is equal to angle E in the parallelogram CNUE. So, L is the triangle formed in between. So, 70 degree plus X plus something is equal to 180 degree plus
Yes, student. Yes. Very good, student. Good. Very good. Now, student, CLUE, clue. CLUE. Clue is a parallelogram. As you know that it is given by questions. And angle CEU. Angle CEU is 70 degree. Why? Opposite angles of parallelograms are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. Opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. That is 70 degree. That is your 70 degree. Now, students, we have to find out these angles. This angle, we have to requirement of these angles. You take at M. Now, risk RISK, risk is a parallelogram. Risk RISK, risk is a parallelogram.
Sir, थोड़ा ऊपर स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए.
Parallelograms. Student, 1 second, must complete the questions. Risk is a parallelogram. Student, it is a parallelogram. Now, please tell me that what is the sum of these angles, this and this angles. इस एंगल का सम क्या होगा? ये पैरेलल लाइन आपके पास, these are parallel lines.
180 degree.
Why?
So because the
Adjacent angles. Yes, student, very good. Now, angle KSI. Students, 120 plus angle KSI is equal to 180 degree, because it is sum of two adjacent angles, sum of co-interior angles. You can write sum of co-interior angles. Angle is of 180 degree. Sum of two interior angle on the same side of a transversal is supplementary angles. These will be two supplementary angles. Now we have to find out the value of KSI. Angle KSI is equal to 180 minus 120. That is your 60 degree. Now, student, it is your 70 degree, it is your 60 degree. Now we have to find out the value of x. Please tell me how can you find out the value of x?
So sum of like this has formed a triangle. So sum of all the interior angles of the triangle is 180.
Yes.
70 plus 60 plus x is equal 180.
Yes, you are right. In triangle ESM. In triangle ESM. 70 plus 60 plus s. 70 plus 60 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property of this triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angles are property of a triangle. Angles are property of a triangle. Now students, 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60. That is 130 plus x is equal to 180. Now we have to find out the value of x. That is 180 minus 130.
by a
So value of x is equal to 50 degree.
50 degree.
50 degree.
Now, addition will require